Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about routes parameter. Route parameters are a parameter whose values are set dynamically in a page URL. This allows a route to render the same component while passing that component the dynamic portion of the URL so that it can change its data based on the parameter. We can also pass a parameter with the route. React provides two ways of capturing the passed parameter, required parameter and second is optional parameter. So let's see required parameter first. So switch to the project and inside the project just click on src then components and inside the component just create a new component. Let's say component name is user. So just write here user.js and inside the user.js component first of all import react and component, so curly bracket and just write here the component from react. Alright, now create a class, so just write here class and component name which is user extends with component. Right, now add here the render method, so just write here render and inside the render method simply return a div. Okay, inside the div just write here a title which is user component. Okay, let's say user component. All right, last just export here, export default and component name which is user. All right, now save the file. Now go to the app.js and here just import the user component, import user from path of the user component, so just write here dot slash components slash user and here just create the route for the user, so just write here route and path is equal to slash user. All right, and component is equal to in curly brackets just write here the user. All right, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser and it's compiling. All right, now add here the user and you can see here the user component. Okay, now let's see how we can pass the required parameter. So passing the parameter, go to the app.js and here just add here the slash colon and parameter name. Let's say parameter name is name. All right, now get this parameter inside the user component, so go to the user component and here first of all create the state. The state is equal to and create one property, let's say property is name. Okay, and default value null. All right, now add here the lifecycle method component read mount, so just write here component read mount and inside this method just create one variable name is equal to this dot props dot match dot params and parameter name is name, so just write here name. All right, now set the value, so just write here this dot set state and inside the curly bracket just write here this property name, which is name, and assign the value this name. All right, and also print here inside the p tag username. So just write here curly bracket this dot state dot name. All right, now save the file. All okay. So let's check. So go to the browser and here just add slash and name. So let's say name is Jennifer. You can see here user component and name Jennifer. Okay, if I change here the name, let's say Smith, you can see here the Smith. Okay, if I remove this parameter, you cannot see the component. Okay, because the parameter is required. So let's see how we can pass the optional parameter. For that, go to the app.js and here simply put the question mark. Okay, now now it becomes optional parameter. Now save the file and switch to the browser, and you can see here without passing the parameter, you can see here the user component, and if I pass here the name as a parameter, it is still working. Okay, so in this way you can pass required parameter and optional parameter in react.js. Okay, so that's all about route parameters. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.